Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to talk about the top fruits you can still plant for summer. Just because we've seen the 4th of July roll by doesn't mean we can't still fill our salads and stews with fresh fruits from our gardens. And there are several that are fast and easy to grow. So here we go. Cucumbers. Most of us think of cucumbers as a vegetable, but it grows from flowers and contains seeds. So botanically speaking, cucumbers are fruit and part of the melon or gourd family, along with watermelon and, well, melon. And research has shown that cucumbers contain enough B vitamins to give you more energy than coffee or soda. They contain 96% water, making them super hydrating. If you're looking to grow these superpower melons, you'll need a space with lots of sun, 8 to 10 hours a day, good drainage, and a great place to climb. Just like watermelon, they grow on vines, making them great for climbing up trellises, which makes them great for those of you who have limited space. Summer is a great time to plant cucumbers. They need temperatures above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and night temperatures should not dip under 60 degrees Fahrenheit. If you live in an area with cool nights, you may wish to start your seeds inside. Plant your seeds a ½ inch deep and around 10 inches apart. Water consistently, about once a week. Quick tip, if you water inconsistently, your fruit may become misshaped and bitter tasting. Cucumbers should be ready to harvest in 50 to 70 days. It's an annual, so you need to replant to keep the harvest going. If you want to keep your harvest going all summer long, just reseed every 2 weeks until temperatures fall. Summer squash is another favorite. This includes both yellow squash and zucchini. You can grow it as late as July through early August. It falls in the same family as the melon. It needs full sun and grows on a trellis or vine. And it takes about 60 days from seed to harvest. Fruit should be around 6 inches long to harvest. It's a great addition to any barbecue. Dust it with a little olive oil and spices and stick it on the grill for a perfect addition to any meal. And not only do they need to taste delicious, but are a great source of vitamin C. It's not too late to plant tomatoes. They are the most versatile fruit and can be paired with almost anything. They also grow on vines or trellises. While growing tomatoes in May is the best month, you can grow tomatoes in full sun from mid-July and into August. Your plants should bear fruit in 65 to 85 days. Strawberries are a superfood rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and it's still not too late to make them part of your garden. Plant them in full sun. They do great in full sun. Use them in hanging baskets or even in pots. One of our favorite summer fruits is watermelon. You can plant it once the temperatures reach above 70 degrees and all the way into August. Like cucumbers, it is part of the gourd family, but the growing time is a little longer, about 2.5 months, so it's better suited for regions that have a longer growing season. Not only is watermelon delicious, but it is great for hydration, contains potassium which lowers blood pressure, and it has vitamin B6. Adding these fruits to your garden will not only give you a sense of satisfaction, but will give you added health benefits. If you have other backyard questions, please click the link below to some of our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.